Hi, I'm Carol Rabanal. I'm the Program Secretary of Career Development Program.
My name is Paul from Department of Student Life. I am the Formation Officer.
I am Darman Adonza from Development Institutional Relations Operations Coordinator.
My interpretation for the current wallpaper is that we do not need to concentrate or think only inside the box, but indeed we have to get out of it and be brave to widen our ways of thinking.
The first time I saw it, which was this morning, so it was unique because it's just a box.
Kung titignan mo naman, ang tanong kasi is, where's it?
Probably we most likely would connect it to where the institution would like to go.
As to what I see in the wallpaper, think is embedded inside and outside.
Dapat kasi manggaling talaga sa loob. Bago siya, pag natingnan mo naman siya, para din naman siyang nagre-reflect sa labas. So kung ano man yung gusto natin, innovation, inclusivity, that makita sa labas. Na yun yung gusto nating yun yung mga goals ng school.
A box can represent many other things other than it just telling you that there are other things outside the box.
Inclusivity is always inside, and innovation can be seen when you get out of the box.
Kasi sobrang simple lang siya kung titignan. Diba? Kahit yung term na innovation and inclusivity, pero napakalaking bagay na yung mga tao sa labas kailangan na makita.
We definitely, I would probably say that where is it? It's out there and it will come our way and it will bring many good things to our institution.